ZenCreator just launched an MCP server. That means you can generate images, swap faces, create videos, and run lip sync all from inside Claude, Cursor, or ChatGPT without ever opening the ZenCreator dashboard. Here is everything you need to know. The typical AI content workflow has a friction problem. You are in Claude drafting copy. You need a matching image. So you open ZenCreator, generate it, download it, come back. Multiply that by 10 tasks per session. MCP cuts all of that out. Your AI assistant calls the tool for you and drops the result right back into the chat. Quick explainer, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It is Anthropic's open standard that lets AI assistants call external tools directly. Instead of you navigating to ZenCreator and clicking Generate, Claude or Cursor does it on your behalf. The tool runs, the result comes back, and you never leave your workspace. ZenCreator's MCP server lives at mcp.zencreator.pro. It is a hosted OHAUS secured server. No API key to manage, no local process to run. You authenticate once with your existing ZenCreator account, and from that point, every generation request uses your existing credit balance. 6 generation tools are exposed over MCP: text to image, face swap, video generation, lip sync, image upscale, and reference-based editing. These are the same tools available in the ZenCreator dashboard, now callable via a single natural language prompt inside your AI client. For Claude Code, setup is one terminal command: Claude MCP add, transport type HTTP, scope user, name ZenCreator, then the server URL. After running it, your browser opens for the OAuth flow. Sign in with your ZenCreator account, authorize it, and the server is live immediately. For Cursor, edit the mcp.json config file globally at ~.cursor/mcp.json or per project. Add the ZenCreator server URL entry. Restart Cursor, then go to Settings under MCP. Click the ZenCreator server and complete the OAuth flow. The server shows up in your tool list right away. For ChatGPT, go to Settings, then Connectors, then Create and select MCP Server. Paste the server URL, mcp.zencreator.pro/mcp. Then authenticate with your ZenCreator account via the OAuth flow. Once enabled, you can prompt ChatGPT to generate images or videos, and it calls ZenCreator in the background. In practice, you type something like, generate a photorealistic portrait, studio lighting, red hair. Your AI client calls the ZenCreator text-to-image tool, starts the async job, polls for completion, then returns the image URL directly in the chat thread. No tabs open, no files downloaded manually. The full generation pipeline runs in the background while you keep working. The server is async by design. Your AI starts the job, pulls status automatically, and delivers the result back when it is ready. Idempotency keys mean retries are safe if something times out mid-generation. Credits are drawn from your existing ZenCreator balance the same way they are deducted when you generate from the dashboard. There is no MCP add-on fee, no developer plan, and no separate API key to purchase. You connect using your existing ZenCreator account. Starter, creator, influencer, or professional, and generation credits are consumed exactly as they are in the dashboard. Setup is completely free. ZenCreator also offers a full REST API for developers building their own products. The choice is simple. Use MCP if you work inside Claude or Cursor and want generation without leaving the environment. Use the REST API if you are shipping a product that calls ZenCreator as a back-end generation service. MCP makes the most sense for Claude Code and Cursor power users and for content creators who already use Claude to draft copy and want matching visuals in the same chat. It is less useful if you are a casual user who only needs an image once in a while. The dashboard is fine for that. Verdict: ZenCreator's MCP integration is one of the cleanest available right now. No API key setup, OAuth completes in under a minute, works across Claude, Cursor, and ChatGPT, and the async design handles timeouts well. If you are already on a ZenCreator plan and you use any of these clients daily, this is worth 5 minutes to set up. Full setup commands for Claude Code, Cursor, and ChatGPT are in the description. Affiliate link to ZenCreator is also there if you want to get started. Drop a comment if you hit any issues with the OAuth flow. It behaves slightly differently depending on which client you are using.